Hello everyone, good evening. This is Sunil Kumar Sa and you are watching MedicoPharma Lecture. So today I am here to start a series of lecture on Pharmaceutical Inorganic Chemistry. Okay, so let's start. But before starting, I would like to share one good information that this lecture is also available in Hindi version. So if you are more comfortable in Hindi language, what you can do, you can go to Hindi playlist. Hindi playlist means in my channel there is a same subject. You have a different playlist in Hindi. You can go to there and you can access all my videos. Okay. Now let's begin Pharmaceutical Inorganic Chemistry Lecture 1. Okay, so here we are going to discuss about syllabus and we are also going to see the exam pattern and marks pattern, how the marks is allotted, how you can score good marks and all those stuff we are going to see. Okay, so let's start with Pharmaceutical Inorganic Chemistry syllabus. Okay, so if you'll see Pharmaceutical Inorganic Chemistry, it is having 5 units. How many units? 5 units. Okay, so unit first, if you'll see unit first, that is about impurities. It is about what? Impurities. So you are going to study about what is impurity, especially pharmaceutical impurities, and what are the sources of impurity. You will also study types of impurities, and not only that, you are also going to study limit test for various impurities. Okay, coming to unit 2. Okay, I forget to write impurities and limit tests of limit test for impurity. Okay, so if you'll see unit 2 have certain chapters, especially 3 chapters are there. In first chapter we are going to study about what it is called acid, base and buffers. So you have already studied about acid, base and buffer in your 10th, 11th and 12th, but here we will discuss in detail. Now coming to second chapter, that is about major, extra and intracellular electrolytes. So we are going to discuss about major, extra and intracellular electrolytes. So you already know electrolytes, right? You have seen saline and you have seen ORS. All those things will come under electrolytes. Third, we are going to discuss about dental products. So we will discuss about various dental products which are used for teeth, right? Okay, so if you study all those 3, it means your unit 2 is over. Now coming to unit 3. So unit 3 is basically about gastrointestinal agent. It is about gastrointestinal agents. What does it mean? It means some people also call GI agents. Okay, in this you have to study about what? You have to study about acidifiers. You will study antacid acids. You will study what it is called cathartics, and you will also study what it is called antimicrobial agents. So these things you are going to study under GIT agent. Okay, now coming to unit 4, what it is called? Unit 4. Okay, so under unit 4 we are going to discuss about various miscellaneous topics, okay, or agents. So agents. Okay, miscellaneous agents means so they will come here and there. So here we are going to study about expectorant. What? Expectorants. Okay, then we will study about emetics. Then we will study about what? Emetics. Okay, so since here space is not there, we will write over here. So the next one is hematinics. So C is what? Hematinics. Hematinics. Then next one is poisons and antidotes. So we will study about poisons and antidotes. And the last one under the same unit is astringents. Okay, so this is all about unit 4. Now coming to unit 5, it is about radiopharmaceuticals. So unit 5, if we'll discuss about unit 5, unit 5 is about radiopharmaceuticals. It is about what? Radiopharmaceuticals. So here you will study about what? Radiopharmaceuticals. What is the use? What are those radiopharmaceuticals which we can use? Okay. So this is all about your syllabus. Now we'll discuss about exam pattern. Okay. Coming to exam pattern, here if you'll see, there are two different type of exams which are going to be conducted. One will be conducted by university. Okay, that is called as what? University exam. City exam. And there will be internal exam. Internal exam. Okay, so if you see university exam, that will be conducted at the end of the semester. Okay, and that carries 75 marks. Whereas if you see internal exam, that will carry 25 marks and it will be conducted in your institute, and your institute will provide these marks. So it does not mean institute means you have taken admission and you will get the marks. No, you will get these marks based on your performance, your exam, your behavior and everything, your attendance. Okay, so we'll further divide this internal marks, whatever is that is 25 marks, into 2. Okay, one you will get from what it is called written exam, that is your sessional exam. So your college or institute will conduct certain sessional exam, and that marks will be utilized to count your internal marks. So that will be mainly for 15 marks. Okay, so how many marks remaining? 25 minus 15, remaining is 10 marks. So that 10 marks where you will get? You will get from continuous mode. So there is a continuous mode. Continuous mode is there, and this continuous mode will carry how many marks? 10 marks. So I will tell you what is this continuous mode also. Okay, first of all we'll discuss about sessional exam. So if you see sessional exam, so in sessional exam what is there? Your exam, generally two sessional exams are conducted by your institute. Okay, and the exam will be for 30 marks. Okay, sessional exam will be for 30 marks and will be converted to 15 marks. They will conduct 30 marks exam, and out of that how much you will score, they will divide by 2, and how much you will get, that marks is your marks which you are going to get from your sessional exam. What is continuous mode? If you see continuous mode, so here 10 marks are there. That is also further divided into further 3 categories. The first category is, or first criteria is your attendance. TANCE. So your attendance carry 4 marks. Okay. The next one is your assignment. During class, your faculty will assign certain topics to you, so that what you have to do, you have to prepare it and you have to submit it. Okay, so that carries 3 marks. Okay, next coming to another point, that is teacher student interaction. Okay, so teacher student interaction means during class, whether you are interacting with your teacher or not, or whether you are making communication with your teacher or not, that all will determine the remaining 3 marks. Okay. Here I want to add one more point that in attendance, if your attendance is in between 95 to 100, then you will get 4 marks. Okay. If your attendance is in between 90 to 95, then you will get 3 marks. If it is in between 85 to 90, then you will get 2 marks. If it is in between 82, what it is called 85, then you will get 1 mark. If it is less than that, you will get 0 marks. It means you will be not eligible for the exam, semester exam. Okay. So this is all about mark criteria. This is all about your exam pattern. I hope you have understood. Okay. If still you have any further questions or doubt, you can post that question into comment section and I will reply it as soon as possible from my side. Along with that, if you have any feedback, please feel free to post that feedback into comment section. That will give me lots of what it is called boost up to make lots of videos. Okay. Wish you all the best for your study and please be with my channel. Please subscribe and please do not forget to give feedback. Thank you. Thank you very much.